Hi, I would like to present to you this magnificent family home, 75 Ourimbah Road, Mosman. I'm John Grooms, come with me. This Federation Semi is beautifully proportioned with character-filled interiors with high ornate ceilings. Beautifully renovated throughout with European oak floors, built-in wardrobes in all the bedrooms, Caesar stone bench tops in both the kitchen and bathrooms. Windows are double glazed with plantation shutters. Thank you for viewing this beautiful home. I look forward to meeting you at one of our upcoming opens. Bye now.